Anthony D'Souza from Asalna, Billy. I think थोड़ा disturbing news असो कानार बोल मिजा. मडगांव हुई कित भासाभास जाली discussion जाले with the people who are selling beef or meat. गाड्यांचे कोण दोग तीग जाण येयले आनी थिंग डिस्कशन जालें भासाभास जाली मागीर कितें केस्तां बिस्तां जालीं. ओके लेट अस तो पॉयंट मागीर मुद्दो आमी क्लियर करयात. पूण तेज्या पयलें let us try to understand the chronology of this beef, the countries and the states and the community people. Poile suater, the top 6 beef exporters in India, into 4 exporter pade hai, they belong to the majority community, in bracket Hindus. For example, Al-Kabir, Arabian Export, MKR Khan and PML. They चारी कंपनी नाव देगुचे आहे ते मी मिसगायड एस कोल्ल्या भाशेन केला लोकांक दिसपा जाय ह्यो कंपनी मुस्लिमाल्यो बट these companies don't belong to Muslims. Al-Kabir belong to one person named Satish and second is Atul Sabrewal. A dogoy from majority community, they belong to, in bracket, Hindus. Second, Arabian exports. As a owner, Sunil Kapoor, again belonging to the majority community, in bracket, Hindu. Third, MKR Khan. As owner, Madan Abbott. Fourth, PML. Owner, A.S. Bindra. Second, India being a country with almost 80% Hindus and supposed to be considering cow as the belief that cow is a god and we all respect in India. Sogli taka respect dite ami. But India being a country with 80% majority, that is in bracket Hindus, this is the same country who is exporting one of the top almost percentage of beef supplied globally, 23.5%. Largest butcher in India, largest butcher is Al-Kabir, whose owner is again a Hindu. India is in the top 4 or 5 in the exports of beef all over the world, globally. In spite of more than 100 countries being Christian countries, or more than 10-15 countries being Muslim countries, still India is आगे है. So ये कित्या घट जायत? One reason I feel, they want to decrease the supply, increase the demand, then increase and inflate the prices. म्हणजे गोंया बीफ जाती तू मारून दिना काय और ऑल ओवर इंडिया हिंग तुम माना काय म्हणजे ते कितें सांगूंक सोदताय मेन एक्सपोर्टर्स तुम माना काय हिंगा हिंदू मुस्लीम क्रिश्चन कोराय आनी ह्यो सगळीं कॅटल आमी घेतले आनी आमी एक्सपोर्ट करतले ते. In India, it is not only the Christians or the Muslims who are eating beef. This is mistaken. There are Dalits, there are Adivasis who are eating also. Next, why in India people should decide what we should eat, what we should dress, where we should go, what time we should go out, and all this. Why? That is why Constitution is highly valuable document. Constitution is a highly valuable manual. Casely machina, when it is being sold, always there is a manual, operating manual. So when India got freed, Baba Sahib Ambedkar and lot of other intellectuals, they prepared the operating document for India. If you don't operate the machine or the equipment without going through and following the document, we will meet with an accident. We could make a mess out of that equipment. We could make a mess out of this country because we don't want to believe and follow the legal document that is the Constitution of India. Ata, which are the states in India where there is ban, total ban of beef? Like UP, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Telangana, Bihar, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and some more states. This is a total ban. But there is also a partial ban. And like Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and also Goa. But here partial ban, it probably means there are certain conditions. Under condition, the beef is allowed to be sold. There are conditions. That is partial ban. Whereas in other states where there is complete ban, there is no question. There are no riders attached. Yes, state like Goa, आमका थोडे कायदे कानून आहे. That meat has to go through certain agencies, it has to go through a certain slaughterhouse, meat can be sold hygienically, tested by some medical team. These are certain conditions. So if all these conditions are followed, in Goa, beef can be sold, beef can be consumed. आता आम्ही मडगांव या. हे मडगांव कोण हे दोग तीग जाण येवप आनी शॉपांचेर डिस्कशन डिबेट करप, तेमकडे प्रश्न घालप, ओ कितें जावन डिबेट जावन डिस्कशन फायट कॉरल कितें म्हूण तूं. सी फायनली देर आर इन्स्टन्सीस 10 रुपया लागून एक मर्डर देखून जात खूंय. तो तेश कोन एक स्मॉल डिस्कशना लागून देर कुड बी रायट्स. सो हे डिस्कशन जालें कितकून, हू इनिशिएटेड दीस, कोण हे मनीस, कोणी आमकां धाडले, हू आर द मास्टर माइंड्स बिहाइंड दीस, वाय इट इज हॅपनिंग ड्युरिंग द मायनॉरिटीज फेस्टिविटीज लायक क्रिसमस. कोण हे, कोण है हे? Who are these people? Extra-constitutional authorities. Are they being sent to disturbance harpak? Are they being sent to deflect from the main issues Goa is facing with respect to maybe land grab, job scam, rapes, hill cutting, big projects? हे सगळें डिस्टर्ब करपाक कोणूय जाल्यार ही ऑथॉरिटी आहा काय? समबडी इज मास्टर प्लॅनिंग ऑल दीस. डिफ्लेक्ट, डायरेक्ट, फॉरगेट, शट इट, क्लोज इट, फॉरगेट इट. इज इट समथींग लायक दॅट? आनी बसलो कडेन कित्याक डिस्टर्बन्स करप? एंड देन लेटर ब्लेम द मायनॉरिटीज फॉर गोईंग फॉर डिफेन्स. Who are these authorities? हे जे येताय तीग चोग जाण येताय आनी आपल्यागे भाशणगिरी चालू करप. आर दे डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम द वेटनरी डिपार्टमेंट? आर दे पुलीस ऑथॉरिटीज? आर दे सम or are they extra constitutional authorities who are working overtime to help to deflect the main issues of Goa. कितें जाल्यार कितें दुसरे मुद्दे सायडलायन करपा येताय काय? Why create communal tension? Because this is directly related to minority communities during the festivities. Maka beef खावपा जाय legally. If it is illegal, there is an authority. Need to go to them. Doctors are veterinary doctors are if it is being sold unhygienically. If it is illegally brought, call the police. Register your complaints. Follow the civilians' method. Protest somewhere. Ask the authorities to keep the checks and balances. But don't create fear psychosis among the minorities. This is our Christmas season. And here Christmas season, most of the minorities, they need to have beef on their table. 63 varsali Hindu, Muslim, Christians. Even Hindus come to my house and there is beef on the table. They never have a problem. As long as we don't forcibly make them to eat. As long as we don't make them to eat unknowingly. So please, this thing has to stop and stop it. And my final word to आमच्या गोंयच्या CMाक Dr. Pramod Sawant. Please don't take it lightly. हे जे पहिले instigate केले, where it began, the murder started with 10 rupees. So similar case in जावपा जायना. So this all instigation has been started by the people who came there as extra-constitutional authorities without bringing the state authorities are to be taken for a proper investigation. Find out who brought them, who sent them, who's the mastermind behind this. Tomorrow don't blame the minorities when things go push to push and when people go in for defense. Please stop this. Pramod Bab, हात जोडून मागता, let no communal tensions begin in Goa.